pigeon thing. Or parrot. No VIP. If you have costume makeup, choose red skin with contour. Otherwise black works fine. Now let's grab a bunch of items. Toggle the head mask to 3. Now we add a bunch of hair to cover up and shape. Scarf to cover. Then we add a lot of skirts for texture. And a fur jacket and shoes you like. Almost forgot the iconic cupcake. Then get the pumpkin and flowers for texture. Choose villain from the K-pop pose pack. Then put this pattern on the ear warmers to make it look like eyes. Then just make everything gray, except the beak and feet.